Hi, this is Pedro González. Welcome to my third tutorial on audio editing basics with Reaper. On the last tutorial, we just imported our first audio clip into Reaper, and that is the point from where I will take it today. If you haven't done it already, open your copy of Reaper and import an audio file. Let's remember two ways to do this. First, if your audio file is in your desktop, the fastest way to do it is by drag and drop. Like that. You see my audio file in Reaper. If your file is in a different folder, like music, downloads, etc., go to Insert, Media File, and navigate until you find the folder where your audio file is, and click Open. You have the same result. Now let's have a look at the different parts of the screen. This light gray area is the Arrange area. All the audio clips will go there and is also where most of the editing work will be done. These controls on the right and bottom of it allow you to move it around and zoom in and out to better see what you are working on at every moment. When you press play, you will see a gray vertical line move to the right, like that. This gray line indicates the playback position. The cursor is this other red vertical line, which marks the beginning of the playback. If I click playback again, it starts at the same point as before. Now, above the Arrange area, there is the timeline, an horizontal bar that serves as a guide both in normal time notation, that is minutes, seconds, and milliseconds, and musical notation, that is measures or bars, beats, and cents. If I navigate towards the beginning and zoom in again, you see here that the little numbers below indicate the seconds, 0 seconds, 2 seconds, 4 seconds, 6 seconds, etc. And the time code above it indicates the bars and beats where the music is placed. That is first bar, first beat, second bar, first beat. If I zoom in again, now I can see first beat, second beat, third beat, and fourth beat. Now the second bar, etc. Above the timeline is the menu bar, with menus that give you access to a lot of options and properties. I advise you to have a look, but don't take it too seriously. We will be learning some of it step by step. You see, there is too many options to care right now about it. You will learn some of them one at a time. At the top right corner, at the end of the menu bar, you see some info about the current state of your audio device here. This is also a button. If you click there, it will give you access to the full menu for Reaper configuration. Maybe you opened this in previous tutorials to change some settings for your audio system or input and output devices. If everything is working properly, don't change any values here. If you have some problems with the playback or the audio in general, sometimes you can fix them here. At the left of the timeline, below the menu bar, there is the main toolbar with icons for quick access to the most useful features. Just go with your mouse over each one of them and a little message will pop up to tell you what it does. The most important ones are New Project, which is here, open project, and save project. Also these two, undo and redo, and this is the metronome. This is the snap and the grid. I will explain again some of these features later. Below the main toolbar there is a dark area, the track control panel. Audio files are placed in rows called tracks, and for each track there is a track header which displays controls that will apply to all the audio clips stored in that track. I will also explain all these controls in detail later. For now, the most important are the volume, which is this one, just double click to reset to default value. Mute and solo. Mute will disable the playback on this track, and solo will disable the playback on the rest of the tracks, making this track a solo. There is also the right and left pan. At the bottom of your screen you may have a dark area like this one. This is called the mixer, and it is used later in the audio creation process, so we don't need it for now. To make it disappear or appear again, just press Ctrl M or Command M if you are in a Mac computer, or go to View Mixer. Okay. I think that's all for today. Feel free to explore more deeply Reaper's interface and basic options. I hope you will join me in the next tutorial. Subscribe to get new tutorials in audio techniques and Reaper. Bye.